We're here at Messe on the Eve booth, where Roland's going to talk us through the new range of speakers they have. Now, there are some familiar elements and some unfamiliar elements, so please.
Yeah, we introduced a new product line here on the Musikmesse as our first visit here, and we show a complete product line at the moment. And we have inside a DSP solution for our filtering. So the idea was to have a modern concept, but not with the behavior of a normal digital solution. So you don't have a setup need or some boot times for the speakers for some software. The behavior is just like a normal analog speaker. You can switch on and off the unit, and all settings are stored immediately. So, and if you can see here, there's one knob configuration. So for the volume, you only need to turn the volume, and if you want to set some high shelf filters, for example, you just need to push the button, and then you can adjust the high shelf filter. And if you do nothing else, then it will release to the normal mode where you can control the volume. In a lot of studio applications, there's a need to lock the settings what you have, and some people start to play with the knobs. On the back side, you have some dip switches where you can block or lock independently the volume settings what you have chosen, and also the filter settings. And of course, you can adjust the brightness of the LEDs for some cinema applications, and so it is not disturbing for you.
Okay, now can you talk us through the drivers on here, because the folded ribbon speaker is something we're familiar with, but these woofers look entirely new.
Yeah, the woofers are new insofar we have we were looking for a new diaphragm material, and we got this wonderful stiff and light diaphragm material, so that we have some advantages concerning the bass reflex, the bass response. The tweeter is next step in developing of an air motion transformer. It's known already in the market. We have made some further developing, and so it's a little bit different from the inner construction. The magnet system is different, and the diaphragm dimensions are also different. We have also a more open air motion transformer. You see only 2 bars in the front plate, and to protect the diaphragm, we have a solution: simply plug and magnetically hold it, grill on it, and that's it.
Okay, and you have a whole family of these speakers, including some subs, so it'll go anywhere, I believe, from a desktop home studio to a full professional studio.
Yeah. Our range is can be taken for all possibly audio applications. So from small mobile vans or big studios as well. We have only one series, and each speaker has its own can play its own role in several setups. So from stereo setups to 5.1 or multi-channel setups, also for pre-production or video. Cut places with a desktop on the desk. You can use it in several applications.
Okay. And do they maintain a fairly consistent family sound from the smaller ones to the larger ones?
Yeah, that's what we really have in mind, that the sound should be similar and balanced from the low frequencies over the mid frequency, and so up to the high frequencies. And yeah, for our target market are the professional users which really need a tool to look into their mixes and to hear what is really happening in their mixes.
Okay. So you have many models. What is the price range from the smallest to the largest?
The smallest will start approximately 299. euros, and it goes up for the bigger models up to 3,000 euros per piece.
Per speaker, yes.
Yeah.
And you're still looking for UK distribution, so we'll announce that when you find some.
Yes, of course. We are looking for distributions, and also we are looking for worldwide distributions. So we are a newcomer here, and all these things needs to be started right now.
Thanks very much, Roland.
Thank you very much.